What's going on, everyone? I want to show you the definition of what I would consider a picture perfect setup for taking a scalp on the 5-minute time frame, utilizing the 20 SMA as well as a flag. So almost like a two-in-one. And I'm going to kind of highlight exactly what that is. So for many of you guys already know I'm looking to take these trades, looking to take these scalps as soon as price kind of reclaims a 20 SMA on any given time frame. But I like to use the 5-minute, I like to use the 1-minute. In this particular example, we're going to use the 5-minute chart. You can see that price closes above the 20 SMA at 9:05 Pacific Standard Time. So if you want to go on your charts now and you kind of want to follow along, today is March the 21st. Look at the candle that closes over the 20 SMA at 9:05. Okay. Now, why would we be looking at this specific candle? Well, we kind of sold off in the pre-market, had a little bit of a dead cat bounce that got rejected just shy of this 200 SMA. We pulled back and we've put in a higher low. So price action's a little bit more bullish. Was it choppy today? Absolutely. Did you have to be patient today? Absolutely. But if you can do those two things, avoid the chop because you're understanding that we are in a range and you are understanding that you need to wait for a ideal setup, then you would have, if you were still trading, you would have came across this setup. Now, the reason why I like this setup so much, not only did we put in a higher low, but if I was to draw a flag, now remember, flags are discretionary. People are going to draw them a little differently, but I like to draw flags from a previous swing high, okay? And I like to get those things down and dirty where they are having at least 2 or 3 touch points, okay? So in this particular case, look at the swing high. I'm dragging it right off the wick. I've got a touch point here and a touch point here. That's a 3 touch point flag pattern. And you're going to also see that getting in on the reason why candle, the candle that's breaking over the 20 SMA, you could have actually stolen a little bit of an earlier entry if you're more of an aggressive scalper. But what I always tell people is this: allow your flag pattern to get broken. And then if price confirms, like on a following candle, then you want to go in. So you're still getting in not only on a broken flag that is getting confirmed to the top side, but you're also taking a 20 SMA play. So this is what I call a two-in-one. And again, what's the price target that we're looking for? We're targeting this 200 SMA. The reason why we're targeting the 200 SMA is because that's the next area of supply once we've broken through this resistance. Very simple. And truth be told, if you kind of sit back and you wait and you wait and you wait, you can find these picture perfect setups where not only are you getting a 20 SMA, but you're getting a flag as well. And maybe if you can be a patient trader, these might be setups where you can fire one trade, put on some decent size, walk away on the day with a winning day, only taking one trade, okay? Or taking two trades sometimes. So look at this example. If you were to play one mini contract, you would be getting in onto this trade above 19,761. Okay, that's where you would be getting in, right over this reason why candle. The candle that confirms puts you in no drawdown. I mean, little to no drawdown. As soon as you get into the move, maybe it sputters around for a blink of an eye and then completely explodes in your favor for 49 points. Now, am I saying that you're going to catch the whole 49 points? No. But maybe you could catch 20, catch 30, catch 40 points because you're targeting that 20 SMA in the power, the strength, the momentum of this candle. You should have been able to pick up over 10, 15, 20 points. And if you're trading one mini contract, you're looking at least a $200, $300, $500 trade, if not more, guys. And I'm going very modest on this trade. I'm being very conservative on this trade. So the way that I like to trade, would I have ever caught the full 50, 60, 70, 80 points? Absolutely not. What I'm looking to do, I take 2 or 3 mini contracts, okay? And I'm looking for like 12 points, 10 points, 15 points. I'm trying to hold it as long as I can, as long as it's working in my favor. But I know myself. If I get into this trade and I have 2 mini contracts on the table, for every 10 points that I make, I'm going to be making about $400. As soon as this trade starts to go in my favor, $400, $450, $500, $600, I'm going to sell because I know that I can walk away on the day with a fantastic trading day. Not only does it log a green day for my prop firms, it's a nice healthy P&L. I don't have to stress. I can just come back next week and do the whole thing over again. Now, in a perfect scenario, we could do this every single day and never lose, right? That's a perfect scenario. Of course, you're going to lose trades. Of course, I'm highlighting one specific setup here that did work out. I understand that. But the reason why I'm highlighting that is because I want you guys to see what a picture perfect setup looks like. Okay. What a picture perfect setup looks like. And to me, you have space. You have space between the 20 SMA into your next supply. You have a 20 SMA reason why candle. You also have a flag. A lot of great things going, a lot of great things working with this trade. Higher low here from the low of day. A lot of great things. Double bottom right here, one bottom, two bottom, a lot of great things working for this play. So with that being said, hope you guys can implement this. If you guys do want to try these setups out, Apex right now is offering 80% off. You can definitely use code DAnthony and you're going to get the best available rate. Also, daytraders.com right now is 75% off. I recently just got funded with them as well. The code is also DAnthony. Both of those links are down in the description box below. If you guys are looking for the rest of my strategies, you want to trade with the community, you want to get access to the live trading, the one-on-one mentorship, I have 3 spots, guys. I'm going to be closing down the Evolution Traders community this year. I've been running it for about 3 to 4 years now. I've got a lot of really great traders, a lot of great traders who have, passed prop firms, got paid out, but I'm really looking to focus a lot more on the team that we've built there. So I'll probably take on 3, maybe 4 people for the remainder of the year, and then that'll be it. We'll just ride out the rest of the year with those people that we have. So if you do want to jump on that, I cut the price in half. It's 50% off. You guys can go to the link down in the description box below. Make sure to give me a thumbs up. Make sure to like the content. Make sure to leave me a comment. Let me know how you guys did this week, and I'll see all of you guys next week.